Am I on? Yes, I'm on. YouTube. My Codsall train station, not actually using the trains because I'm quite dangerous these days with fingering about. But no one's here, so I thought I'd give you a little walk about. There's a nice platform change over there to walk over. Looks something like a Harry Potter, but the next train's not half an hour. So I can have a nice little tour about here for a bit. No one's about. Ooh. And I've got my mask on, look, just in case, doubly sure. It is now 2 o'clock, the next train is not till 25 past. There's an old pub down there, I think it's called the Footbridge, but obviously it's not open. It's like a 1940s retreat here. This platform for Wolverhampton and Birmingham. Codsall. Needs toilets. Waiting room. It's all very oldie worldy around here. I'm being filmed on the security camera, and the guard's thinking, what I'd like doing, walking about to the train station. It's a beautiful little spot though. The sun's out at last. Okay guys, give us a like and subscribe please, as I'm trying to grow my own channel. Here's the pub. Have fun, take care.